How to manage fields on MX Player app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage fields on MX Player easily. So all what you have to do is simple, go to the app, and now as you can see this is the home page. All what you have to do is go to the top right here and click on this little icon here. Now after you click on it, all what you have to do is just go down here to the fields option and click on it like this. Now as you can see, you can manage the fields easily just from here. It's so easy actually, and I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.